You know, Menina, what I got today?
What do we have today?
Today I have a security camera. What do you think it will be good for, these type of cameras?
Oh, I think you can use it at the library so you don't lose your books, in your yard so nobody takes your stuff,
Yeah,
especially when you go away.
Yeah, or a warehouse, a business.
Absolutely.
Now, this one is IP66. What that means, Menina, IP66?
That it will stay the rain, the snow, the wind, and the sand. And the outside of it is made out of the metal, by the way.
Yeah, that's very important.
Yes, that's why it's so heavy.
Yeah, that's pretty heavy. So what do you think if we begin it now?
Yes, let's do.
How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MediaBox ENT, and behind the camera we have Menina. Menina, give me some good information about this.
Well, this is a bullet camera motorized. It has power over the Ethernet. It is a plug and play. IP66 weather rated enclosure.
Yes.
It has motion detection and motorized zoom.
Yes, that's very important though. This one has a nice vision. If we can see the length.
Oh, it obviously has night vision too.
Yeah, we can see the length here, and it has a nice case. So definitely this one you set for outdoor. Now you can set your angle here. Now I show you all the things it comes with the camera.
And you know what?
Now, yes,
you can see up to 137 feet away.
Yes, you can zoom. Yes, you can zoom and do everything here from your web browser. You connect your web browser. You can control this. Now, from here we put the Archer 45. If we look this little green light, when you plug here, this will light up. If you have the right cable, Cat6, and you have to get a switch, and the switches will say powered over the internet. So if you get a router, a regular router, it will not do power over internet. So you have to buy a special router, or the router that says power over the internet that will give you power to this. So they say now you don't have a power over internet. That's okay. You can use a 12-volt power supply and a standard 12-volt, or you can get it from the manufacturer. And right over here, you apply 12 volts. So you apply 12 volts to the camera, and this you connect it to your Ethernet. Or if you have a DVR, DVR will power out this. Or if you have, again, a power over the internet router or a switch, that will give you the power you need to run the camera. So either you can choose either, right? Power the internet router. If you want to spend an extra money, maybe you just get the power supply. So it also comes with the Allen key. Let me show you what we get in the box anyway. So we get the Allen key, and the Allen key will be to a chassis right over here. So we get the instructions, how to configure. They're pretty simple to follow on the key with all the information to connect. That one thing, remember, your password always will be admin. So it's admin, and your password is 1234556. Now, the admin you cannot change. It will be admin, but you can definitely change your password, and it will ask you to please change your password. And the IP address of this, and I think it give you right over here in the bottom. Yes, always do. So it's 192.168.0.23. The IP address, the default IP address is. You can always change it. So if it says that your network is maybe 192.168.1. whatever, you can always change it. And if you have another device, and this one is .123, you can always configure through the software and change this. The nice thing through the software, you can do that batch. And if you have a lot of cameras, automatic, it will change the address. You can manually enter, or the software will give you a recommendation. Or you can use automatic, dedicated automatic will give you an IP address, and you can batch passwords. You can configure all the cameras. And it's how you write in the manual right over here. Now, you get the waterproof connector for the IGF45. So if you're going to be outdoor, you want to use this. It comes with all the screws to mount it, and information if you need help how to set up the camera. Now, the software you're going to use to set up on your web browser, or if you have a DVR will do that automatic for you. And to make the hole, or to know exactly, it has the dot right there, so you put that on the wall and exactly where you need to drill to put your screws. And I said the Allen key. Now, to save some time, what I did, I removed right in the back, and I used this cover. SD card is right over there, and it has a gasket too, so it will protect. You can put a micro SD card here too, so it will record into the camera. Let's say if something happened to your DVR, there is no, I don't know, something happened to your internet connection, it will still record there. So you're going to use a micro SD card. I always recommend get a good card. In my case, I always get skin this. I get the Ultra. So you put it right over here. And you just push it down, and you're down. You put the screws back, you put the cover, and that's it. And I think only if something happened and you want to review, something went wrong with the internet, so you can always have a backup. That's like a backup. A little hard to remove that now. Well, let's leave it there for now. So definitely, if you're looking at a good camera to use for you, I guess it's good for your business. If you're going to use it for the outdoor, that's one camera to install. And it's pretty simple to install and use a web browser, or if you have a DVR, that will do the thing too. So remember, the secret is you either get power source, a power supply for 12 volts, or either you get a DVR or over the IP, power over the IP router or switch that will do that. Right, Menina?
Yes, correct. If you want to get one right now, just click the link below.
Right. To get one of these cameras, just click the link below. Thank you.